Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Today's number talk, we are moving towards subtraction. Remember our number talk rules. When you have an answer, just put your thumb up right in front of you. And then when we start talking about how you did it, if you did it one way, or you know how to do it one way, or two ways, or three ways. So if you know how to do a three-way, then you do it like this. 3 fingers up. Remember, the most important part is to listen to what other people are saying and how they thought about it. And it may help you in your future life. I mean, really 10 minutes from now is your future, so it may help you in your future life. I'm not just saying when you're 97 it may help you. I mean, it's just, I'm just...
We might not live that way.
It's a good point. It's a good point. All right, since we're starting with subtraction, let's start with an easy one. Or at least one I consider easy. Thumb up in front of you if you've got an answer. Mason.
You can take away...
No, tell me the answer.
It is 5.
5. Kason. 5. Natalie.
5.
5. Birthday girl.
5.
5. Maribel.
5.
Morgan.
5.
Sahana.
5.
All right, good. Sanaya. Good. Did you forget your name over break?
That's because Sahana Sanaya. It's a podcast.
All right, so if you have one way to solve it, 2 ways, 3 ways, just put your hands up. We don't need to verbalize it unless we're called upon. Joshua.
5.
Well, I know. How did you? All right, if you're watching this, we're just back from Thanksgiving break, so
We don't remember.
cut us a little slack. Cut us a little slack.
So let's see
All
what...
right,
Nothing.
Joshua.
Well, I took the 5 away from 15, so it's 10 minus 20. And I subtracted that, and I got 10, and then I subtracted 5 from that. And I got
All right, very good. Jose.
I knew that 15 plus 5 was 20.
Just knew it. 15 plus 5 was 20. So you counted up, right? Okay, counting up. Breaking. What did we call this when you take the numbers and... Decomposing. I always forget that word. Makes me think of a dead body. But I'm just telling you what it makes me think
You
of.
put a very disturbing image in my
I know, right?
Too.
I know, right? Izzy. Quiet. Izzy.
I did standard algorithm. It's 20 to 50.
Okay, just standard algorithm. And one more person. Ian.
I did. Okay. So I did standard algorithm.
Standard algorithm too. All right, good. Let's look at a second one. After I walk all the way over here and get my eraser.
Can you do a harder one?
What electric minus 1 million?
2 plus 10.
2 plus 2. Oh
Give me
my
5. Give me 5. We're not going to bust into song or conversation after every problem. Thumb up if you've got it. Kane, what'd you get? You didn't have your thumb up? Oh, okay. I thought you had your thumb up. Thought you had. Drew. 6. Natalie. 6. JJ. Okay. Chloe. 6. Morgan. 6. Maribel. 6. Awesome. Maribel, how'd you do it?
Well, I know 14 plus 6 is 20, so I guess 6.
So you added up. Added up. All right. Kason, how did you solve it? Added and then subtracted. So what did you add?
I didn't like that. I didn't like that. I added 6, 15 to the top, and then I got 6. So
Okay. So you kind of did the same way?
yeah,
Okay.
6.
Drew?
I turned 14 into 10, so I did 20 plus 10, and then I did 20 subtract 10, which got me 10, and then subtracted 6 from it, so 4 from it.
Okay. All right. Makes sense. Makes sense. Colin?
So I already knew that that 4 plus 6 is 10. So if you just put a 1 in front of the 4, you can just add the 6 and a 4, and you get 20.
Ah. So if you just put a 1, he knew 4 plus 6 was 10. So if he just added a 1 in front of there. Interesting. Interesting. One more. We're not throwing out talking just because.
Who just said crippling depression?
You have an answer, put your thumb up. Chloe, what'd you get? 11. Kinley, what'd you get?
11.
Sahana?
11.
Sanaya?
11.
JJ? 11. Jaren?
11.
11. Jaren, how did you solve it?
I added 1 to the 9, and I made it stand in 20 minus 10, and then I subtracted the 1.
Like that? Okay.
Oh, I see. I still
All right. Jason, how'd you do it? Shh.
I just did the standard algorithm.
Standard algorithm. Mason?
I did 10. I added I halved the 20 to make that 10. So there was 10 minus 19 minus 10. So it would just be.
So you did 10 minus 9?
Yeah, 10 minus. I halved the 20 and then added 10 to the 9.
Oh, okay. Half the 20 and added 10 to the 9.
And then you subtract the.
So you made it 10 minus 19?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Natalie?
So I just made the 20 and 10, and I did 10 minus 9, which is 1, and then I just added another 1. I did 10.
Plus 1?
Yeah.
What?
Well, that's what you, like, if you have a 1 and then you put another 1.
Oh, so you added 10. Not adding 1. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. All right. Thank you. Good. Way to warm up our brains a little bit. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out. God bless, love you. Do something kind today. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Sonic sponsor.
Hedgehog.